नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है एक बार चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज में, जहां हम बुनते हैं किस्से, बातें और खूब सारी मस्ती। इसी के साथ हम आज एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एक यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशन को, जो कि एजुकेशन और फैशन की दुनिया का संगम है। आज हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी है ध्रुविता, जो कि चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में एक प्रोफेसर भी हैं और एक फैशन और लाइफस्टाइल ब्लॉगर भी हैं। वेलकम टू चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज ध्रुविता।
Thank you so much, Pranay, to having me today.
इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं हम अपना आज का चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज का एपिसोड। हमारी ऑडियंस को कुछ अपने बारे में बताइए ध्रुविता।
Pranay, I am a fashion influencer and I also work with Chandigarh University as a assistant professor.
प्रोफेसर एंड अ फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर, ये बहुत अलग अलग सा है, ये कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन बनाया आपने?
Since my childhood, I was influenced by very many celebrities, and once a case happened when in 1997, when Lady Diana died, and there was a paper over there. My father was showing the paper that Queen died, right? So I was like impressed by, I don't know like what took me there. I just used to cut the pictures of Lady Diana and used to keep in the diary.
Wow, as a
Because-
child.
Yeah, as a child. In my family also, my relatives used to tell my father that she looks like a model, right? आप इसको film industry में भेज दो ये. Of course, like in that time, like we were not allowed to wear such clothes also. But I was like कि मुझे ऐसे कपड़े पहनने हैं, ऐसे रहना है. But that time इतना fashion का था भी नहीं. Like I belong to a small town where you are not even allowed to wear sleeveless that time. But nowadays it has improved a lot. But then I came to college. I got a chance to participate in Miss Punjaban.
Wow.
I participated that contest, but unfortunately I didn't win, and I didn't get chance to go into the finals. And I got married, and then after getting married, my husband also supported me that if you want to go in that line, you can go. But after my kid, I still that chapter, you can say that I hold that chapter, that I didn't think about that also. And suddenly my husband got a chance to work with some company in Muscat, so I also went along with him. So वो कहते हैं ना manifestation, when you start manifesting something. So there was one day I was just roaming around with my husband. We went to some shop, a designer shop. वो बड़े बड़े गाउन होते हैं ना, that dreamy gown. I was very impressed to see that. I went inside. Then designer suddenly said that would you like to do modeling for us?
Wow.
So that clicked me somewhere, that my husband said, if you want to do it, you can do it. Then that was the first chance I got to work as a model, and I got a good payment also.
Wow.
That was
Wow.
the most important thing for me also that time, because I was not earning. So I got my first salary from the modeling. I got a 40,000.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. So then COVID happened. I came to Chandigarh here, and I joined a CU. My friend convinced me that why you not working, you should start working. And I started working. I started working by I guess 2019. I joined CU, Chandigarh University. After the class, we were like a free, and there was everyone is putting the content on social media, and the TikTok was very famous that time. The Instagram came, and people used to make the reels over there. Not a reels that time. I don't remember that a reel was there or not. But people started putting the content on the social media. I was like also that I should also do such things, anything, that would be another source of income for you. So I started as a home influencer, but unfortunately we were not getting that kind of collaborations, and because we were beginner that time. So whatever the option I was getting, that was only as a model, because of my past experience, like what modeling I have done in Muscat. So I was like, if I am getting the option, then let's not, why not to try it? Then from India also, I work with some, as a model, I work with some makeup artist. I started with my friend only. So, and after that, if you talk about a proper influence, I was putting every kind of stuff on social media, not a particularly model, because I don't want to go particularly modeling line only. So I was getting collaboration. So initially, I have done collaboration free of cost also. Like a barter collaboration, everyone's offering. But that time, the brand who started their career nowadays, so they are in very good level. But I am glad that I work with that brands. If you want me to mention the name, that NADPAT, there is Earth Time. It's good.
Good brands.
Yeah, good brands. I work with that. So
सारी कहानी सुन के मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आ रहा कि मेरी ऑडियंस जो है इंस्पायर ज़्यादा होगी इस बात से, या दुख इस बात का लगेगा कि आप जो है शादीशुदा भी हैं, आप मदर भी हैं, और उसके बाद भी आप प्रोफेसर भी हैं, और आप ये सारा कुछ कर भी पा रही हैं. इतना सब कुछ कैसे पॉसिबल होता है आपके लिए?
we need to manage few things. Being a mother, there is some guilt also that you are not able to give time to your kid. But I'm blessed with a good, family, good in-laws. They take care of my kids, and supportive husband, of course. Is influencing tension that I spare some time to go to events or do the collaborations, and sometimes I take help from my husband also.
So what kind of events you do generally?
I recently participated in fashion show as a jury.
तो ध्रुविता, अभी तक की आपकी जर्नी में आपने कितने ब्रांड्स के साथ कोलैब किया है?
I have worked with more than you can say 50 plus brands, which include the clothing brands, beauty and makeup artists. And the big brand, you can say, you don't even I don't know whether you are aware of that. When I was working with Middle East, like Muscat, I worked with very good brands, clothing brand in Muscat. And in India, I would like to mention the name of Rudar India. I just started their journey, but they are having very nice collection. So I am just I have done more than 3 to 4 shoots for them. So I'm still seeking for a good brands to come to me for work.
Indeed, these brands that we spoke about are a good brand. So if I talk about clothing, you are a sari person or a jeans person?
I love saris.
You love saris?
Yes.
Certainly we can see that. That's a lovely sari that you are wearing today.
Thank you so much.
So ये साड़ी आपने कहाँ से ली?
I bought it from Pune.
You bought it from Pune?
Yes.
So you travel a lot?
I travel a lot. I travel till now more than 16 countries.
Oh.
Whenever I get chance and whenever I save some amount of money, I always prefer to travel. Specifically in international country, I prefer to go with my family. And yes, I have a dream to travel solo once in a life at least.
You haven't traveled solo yet?
No, not solo yet. But I have this thing in my you can say bucket list that I want to travel. Yes, I want to travel.
So talking about the bucket list, the wish list, आपके wish list में वो कौन सा डिजाइनर है जिसके लिए आप जो है शूट करना चाहेंगे?
I want to shoot for Manish Malhotra, and if I get a chance to walk on a runway, that I would love to walk for whatever the brand will offer me that particular opportunity. I would love to do that.
So events में हम किस events में आपको मिल सकते हैं?
Events में I just recently participated. I went for a fashion show for kids that happened in Ludhiana Pavilion Mall. So they invited me as a jury over there. I went there, and there was some women in conclave happened. There all business women was invited, and I was honored, a guest of honor over there. So that was my recent achievement. You can say that.
That's quite an achievement. आपने बताया कि आपने भी पंजाबी उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया था and you could not clear that out, और वहाँ से लेके this jury की journey.
Yes, that is achievement for me. You can say that, but there is some that was you can say a lesson for you, that you can say as a lesson, and I have learned that where I was lacking, and from that lesson I learned a lot. I did a lot of improvement in myself also. So that time I was not thinking that I want to become influencer or model. That time, there was you were you can say that time you were a kid. You don't even remember. You don't even know that which line you'd want to choose.
Yes. तो अभी तक की आपकी जर्नी में जो भी आपको चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े ऐसे ब्रांड्स को कोलैब करने में, वो क्या क्या थे?
Pranay, initially we were facing hurdle to get collaboration. The most of brand they were offering us partner collaboration, not a paid one, because of the low following and low engagement. So sometimes we also the big good brand they don't reach to us because I don't know like how and why. But then in that case, what I did, I along with the creating content for my profile, I started I focusing on modeling, doing modeling. So I was getting good paid collaboration from the brands, clothing brands, makeup artists. So I focused
But
particularly
that
on
helped you out.
That helped me a lot.
तो टॉकिंग अबाउट लर्निंग्स,
So-
आपने इतनी लर्निंग्स ली हैं, आप हमारी ऑडियंस को आज क्या लर्निंग देना चाहेंगी?
Learning that being an influencer, I would would love to share my, as per my experience, that you should do the collaboration with the influencer, your follow influencer who is creating the same content, so that their own followers also see your content, and you will get a good engagement, I guess. As per
ऐसा कौन इन्फ्लुएंसर था जिसको आपने जो है सबसे पहले जो है चुना और उसने आपको हेल्प करी आगे बढ़ने में?
I guess my friend only.
Could you?
Still, yeah, Harjot, she is my friend. We mostly we used to create a content, or we work together, and from the journey, from the college journey, being a friend from the college journey, and this influencer thing also we started together only.
So Harjot and you are friends for how many years?
It's been, I guess, more than 12 years.
And you guys are still working together in the same profession?
Yes, yes.
ऑडियंस, क्या आप जो है हरजोत को भी देखना चाहेंगे चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज में? इफ यस, नीचे कमेंट करें, जल्दी आपको जो है उनका पॉडकास्ट भी दिखाएंगे। प्लीज हमें भी हेल्प कीजिएगा उनसे मिलाने में, और उन्हें भी हम इनवाइट करना
She
चाहेंगे।
will be coming soon for sure.
इसी के साथ आ चुके हैं हम अपने रैपिड फायर राउंड पे। शुरू करते हैं अपना रैपिड फायर राउंड, ताकि हमारी ऑडियंस आपके बारे में कुछ और जान सके। तो आप रेडी हैं हमारे इस रैपिड फायर राउंड के लिए?
Sure, I'm ready. Already.
हियर इट गोज। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, आर यू अ कॉफी पर्सन और अ टी पर्सन?
Coffee.
कॉफी। सो आर यू अ मोर ऑफ अ कैफे पर्सन और अ क्लब वन?
Cafe.
कैफे। ऐसा कौन सा कैफे है जो चंडीगढ़ में आपका सबसे फेवरेट है?
Nowadays it's Blue Tokai. I love their coffee.
यू लव देयर कॉफी?
Yeah.
तो ब्लू टोकाई, दिस इज फॉर यू। आपका एक कस्टमर हमारे पास है, नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर आप देखो तो कॉफी इज ऑन चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज।
Yeah. Sure.
यू आर मोर ऑफ अ हील पर्सन और अ फ्लैट पर्सन?
Heel.
हील पर्सन।
Yeah, I love wearing pencil heels or all kind of heels.
You already have a very good height. Even then, you wear heels?
Yeah, I don't know why. It's all about liking. What you like.
मैंने तो सुना है कि हील डाल के जो है लड़कियों के पैर दर्द हो जाते हैं। आपका क्या कहना है उसके बारे में?
I don't wear like in you can say regular days, but because as a
Mountains or beaches?
beaches.
And what's your dream destination?
My dream destination is Finland. I want to see the northern lights there.
इसी के साथ हम खत्म करते हैं अपना आज का एपिसोड। बट बिफोर वी एंड दिस अप, आप प्लीज हमारी ऑडियंस को अपना इंस्टाग्राम आईडी बताएंगे ताकि वो आपको फॉलो कर सके फॉर मोर फैशन एंड लाइफस्टाइल थिंग्स।
Yeah, my ID is Dhruvita Dhiman, and I would love to see you guys on my Instagram as a follower. And I am just waiting for a good collaboration from good brands and good opportunities. And thank you so much having me.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज। आप प्लीज़ हमें नीचे कमेंट करके बताएं कि आपको हमारा आज का एपिसोड कैसा लगा, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ लाइक करवाएं, शेयर करवाएं, सब्सक्राइब करवाएं, और आप नेक्स्ट किस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को देखना चाहते हैं उसके बारे में हमें बताएं। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट प्रणय चावला, ये है चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज, जहां हम बुनते हैं किस्से, बातें और खूब सारी मस्ती।
Thank you so much.